ইন্ডিয়ান ডেমোক্রেসিতে স্যাড টু সে, আরে কী সব বলছি, আরে আমি কথা বলছেন এবং সাংবাদিক সম্মেলন করে জানাচ্ছেন রাজ্যের প্রাক্তন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। তিনি জানাচ্ছেন, আমি তো হারিনি, আমাদের যুদ্ধটা ছিল বিজেপির সঙ্গে নয়, নির্বাচন কমিশনারের সঙ্গে। ঠিক কী জানালেন আজকের সাংবাদিক সম্মেলন করে? তিনি পদত্যাগ করতেও রাজি হচ্ছেন না কেন? সবটা জানার জন্য আপনাকে চোখ রাখতে হবে বাংলা খবর ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে। আজকের প্রতিবেদনে
আমাদের প্রথম কথা হচ্ছে, আমরা কিন্তু হারিনি। আমাদের 100 সিট জোর করে লুট করা হয়েছে এবং আমি সরি টু সে, দিল্লি থেকে কায়দা করে প্রেসকে ফার্স্ট রাউন্ড কাউন্টিং হওয়ার সাথে সাথে রটিয়ে দিয়েছে। আমি আগেই আপনাদের বলেছিলাম, আমার ভিডিও আপনারা দেখে নিন তার দুদিন আগে, যে ওরা কিন্তু প্রথমে বিজেপি এরিয়া দিয়ে শুরু করবে এবং ইলেকশনে কাউন্টিং হয় 14 থেকে 18 রাউন্ড। প্রথম 2-3টে রাউন্ড ওরা কিন্তু কাউন্টিং করবে প্ল্যান করে বিজেপি ওখান থেকে, যাতে ছেলেপেলেদের মরাল ভেঙে যায় আর বিজেপি গুন্ডামি করতে সাহস পায়। আমাদের লড়াইটা বিজেপির সাথে ছিল না, আমাদের লড়তে হয়েছে ভিলেন ইলেকশন কমিশন, যিনি ব্ল্যাক হিস্ট্রি তৈরি করেছেন ইন্ডিয়ান ডেমোক্রেসিতে। স্যাড টু সে, CEC became the villain of this election to loot the democratic rights of the people and to loot the EVM machine. Can you tell me that after voting EVM machine, 80 to 95% is the charge? How it is possible? Before 2 days of election, by please, আপনারা একটু কথা কম বলুন। Before 2 days of election, they started arresting our people like anything. They started raid in everywhere, and they changed all the IC to OC to SDO to DM to IPS, all IPS, IS, WBCS, WBPS, all they changed. And they selected from their party, and BJP play the game directly with the election commission. It's a betting, you can say, the got up betting between BJP and the election commission. We fought against the all machinery, where Prime Minister and Home Minister is also involved. Directly interference. SIR, they deleted 90 lakhs name from the voter list. And when we went to court adjudication, 32 lakhs were included. But do you know that after that, the 7 lakhs what was deposited together, that is also included? But nobody knows that. So how they play the dirty, nasty and mischievous games. I have never seen this type of election in my life. From the beginning, in my student life, I have seen so many elections. Even 2004 also, when I was only alone, there also I have not seen this type of atrocities. When we are student, we came to know 1972 72 সন্ত্রাস, কিন্তু আমরা নিজেরা চোখে দেখিনি, তাই আমি বলতে পারবো না। কিন্তু এই সন্ত্রাস সব সন্ত্রাসকে চালিয়ে গেছে। These atrocities is atrocious, terrible. I am grateful to all my India team's leader. Sonia ji rang up me, Rahul Gandhi rang up me, Arvind Kejriwal, Uddhav Thackeray, Akhilesh Yadav, Tejaswi, Hemant Soren Yadav, Jharkhand Chief Minister, all the allies of United India Alliance, Indian Alliance, they said we are totally, absolutely with you. I think our solidarity will be united and strong for the next days. Akhilesh requested me to come today itself, but I said you come better tomorrow. So he's coming tomorrow, and one by one everybody will come. And then I told you that my target is very clear. I will strengthen the India team. just like a small person. And now I don't have any chair, so I am a commoner. So you cannot tell me that I am using your chair. I am now free bird. I gave full life for service to the people. Even these 15 years, I have not withdrawn one paisa of pension, or I have not taken one paisa of salary also. But now I am free bird. So I have to do some work. That I will manage to do it. And our party will see. They started torturing all of our people. Even scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, they are not spared. One little girl is working with me. Scheduled caste family. Her family was brought from last night. She is having one daughter. They have their daughter-in-law, newly married. BJP said, we will rape you. And her father, grandma is about 92 years old. She became ill, but they are not allowed to take water, even drinking water, from the outside. From Bhangor to Barasat, Barasat to Degonga, Degonga to Kolkata, Kolkata to North Bengal, North Bengal to Jungle Mahal, all area, South Bengal to North Bengal, Bardhaman to Birbhum. BJP, along with goons, started atrocities, and they think that some people may go for their bindings, but heartily they are not. And please remember that police is totally inactive. আমরা যখন প্রথম জিতেছিলাম, আমি বলেছিলাম কারো উপর যেন কোনো অত্যাচার না হয়, বদল চাই, বদলা নয়। আমরা কিন্তু সিপিএমের একটা পার্টি অফিসে হাত দিইনি, আমরা কোনো অত্যাচার করিনি। আমি রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত আর নজরুল গীতি গাইতে দিয়েছিলাম। আর 3 দিন ধরে বিজেপি যে অত্যাচার করছে, সিআরপিএফ, এটা জওয়ান্স বাহিনী না গুণ বাহিনী? আমি আমার নিজের কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সিতে দেখেছি, আমার অভিজ্ঞতা। 100 জনকে মেরে তাড়িয়েছে যারা জিতছিল। এবার আপনাদের আমি বলি, আপনাদের একটা রোল সম্বন্ধে আমাদের অভিযোগ আছে। You may accept, may not. After first round, you started saying BJP is getting 200, 195. You didn't wait up to the final result. Even you didn't wait to see the 5 round, 6 round. And after that campaigning with the press media, the BJP went to the inside of the polling station and they started beating the people, beating the counting agents. When I came to know all the counting agents are withdrawn, that time I was leading about 13,000 and my 5 round was left out. And that round is also my ward and Bobby ward. We should have get more than 32,000. Then the candidate BJP itself went there inside along with 200 CRPF and 200 outsiders goon. And then they beating our people. Even the women were not spared, and they snatched all the 17C form. When I came to know, I started going there. First they stopped my car in the Jogubazar area, but I moved from the other way. When I entered, the CRPF said, no, you are not allowed to go. I said, I am a candidate. You are not allowing me. You are not allowing our candidate, our agent. So it is going on one-sided. Then written I complained to RO that it should be stop counting right now unless the restoration is over. Restoration normal is restored. Then Randhir came. I told Randhir, the DO, I know he gave a message to somebody before 15 days ago. Ye chuna counting mein khel hoga. That I am having with me. I told him, can you do like this? Even nobody is from our side. My official agents are not allowed. I am not allowed. I went inside For few minutes, they kick me in my belly, they kick me in my backside, and they abused, physically manhandled, assaulted, and you cannot imagine what happened because that time CCTV was off. So far I know, I have seen the CCTV footage from inside the room. Then I was sitting there, I said, unless and until the counting is started, the normalcy is restored, I will sit here as a candidate. I have seen the data bank area, all the BJP candidate and with 200 guns, they are operating the data. Then they just thrust me, thrown me out from the counting station. धक्का देके देके मार के निकाला. As a woman, I feel it is not only the insultation. I am as a human being, how they misbehave with me. So I can guess the other candidates, how they are being tortured. And the workers. Party is solidly with them, and all the United India leadership, they are also together. We will bounce back, we will fight this battle. But whatever this government of India's direct interference and to control the autocrat system, to finish the democratic system, the brutal murder of democracy. In this line they won in Maharashtra, in Bihar, in Haryana and other states. They were not able to fight it out, but we fought it just like a tiger, and we will fighting, and we will be fighting. All we are together. They are insisting so many of our workers to join BJP. I don't mind for that. For their safety they may. Today they will be, tomorrow they may not be. So now we have decided that against of election commission or the what mechanism they have used, our strategy we will not let you know now. That we will discuss later on. We are taking action. But what action? That required discussion. That's why our confidential strategy we are not going to disclose. This is number one. Number two, we have decided to set up a fact-finding committee with 10 members along with 5 MPs and others. They will visit all the tortured area. Even they captured all of our party offices. Even they went to capture Trinamool Bhavan, our headquarters also yesterday. In Abhishek's office also, they started this brick biting and all this. Stone biting, brick biting, whatever. Brick batting. And they should have realized that if you want forcefully also, there is a system. We have enough members along with us. They are elected. You cannot start torture like this. If you torture with the people, along with all the party workers and the others, all community, caste, creed, religions, please understand, when you won't be powered at center, within a day, you have to face the same battle. History will repeat itself. It's a black history what happened for Bengal yesterday. We condemn the attitude of the villain election commission. Biased. He has done everything. Even we came to know, I do not know whether we are sure or not, we are collecting information. The message came to us from his control office, Delhi. They hijacked the counting center also. This is most unfortunate. This is not only unfortunate. I think that This message should go to everywhere, so that our people are staying all over the world. Let the message should go to the people. So let them know the atrocities. ওরা এমনি জিতলে আমার কোনো অভিযোগ থাকতো না, জিততেই পারে, নির্বাচনে হার জিত আছে, কিন্তু সেটা তো নয়। আমরা তো হারিনি, জোর করে ফোর্সফুলি তুমি ক্যাপচার করেছো টোটালটা। যখন আমরা প্রায় 200টা সিটে এগিয়েছিলাম, একতরফা মিডিয়ার ক্যাম্পেনের পরে ওরা স্টার্ট করেছে টর্চারিং বাইরের লোক দিয়ে। অ্যান্ড সিআরপিএফ জাস্ট লাইক গুনস, এভরি কাউন্টিং সেন্টার they didn't allow the press media, they didn't allow the CCTV footage, they didn't allow the candidate to go enter. How they misbehave, we don't have any respect for them. I'm sorry. The central forces can behave like this. I have never seen. I have seen Rajiv Ji's government, I have seen Manmohan Ji's government, I have seen Atal Ji's government, I have seen Vishwanath Pratap Ji's government, I have seen Devgura Ji's government, I have seen I.K. Gujral Ji's government, I have seen the others also, but I have never seen this type of atrocities. It is atrocious, terrible. There is no limit of atrocities. If it is going on, I think their image will be washed. It is already. They cannot show their face. It is not the proper way of democracy. Democracy, there is a courtesy. You have forgotten the courtesy. Torturing the people. And what do you want? That only one party rule will rule the country. No opposition, nothing. Nobody. So this I want to say to all of you on record. And parties, already we are solidly together. All the party leaders are working together. Though they are being tortured, they are being attacked, their house is being attacked, their workers are being tortured. Already Beleghata, you have seen that died, they killed also. They are threatening to rape the women. Can you imagine a party who are ruling the central government? Can they do like this? Can they behave like this? Even I must say that when judiciary is not there, when election commission is biased, when government of India wants only one party rule, then how the people will get justice? It is the same for everyone. The wrong message is going to the world that you cannot fight democratically. All you are capturing forcefully. And narrative and negative, you have enough money. Betting management. So we will bounce back. We will fight it out. We only want to request you, don't show us, but please see that atrocities is stopped. It should be our request to all of you. Because media is also, I know I don't blame the journalists, but they control the media. So reality bites, that we don't say the truth. If you don't tell the truth, then you have to opt the other way. So that message should go to everyone peacefully. But our voice, we have so many systems. Nowadays, world is one. So we will be fighting for that. This is only our, at present, our present meeting with the press, because I never met you yesterday just with the halla golla 1-2 minutes, because they are just touching me at that time. You have seen how they get out me. They didn't allow me even to move freely. Even when I was coming back, then also 20-30 CRPF, everybody who have the photo. How they are thrashing me, how they are just throwing me out. So I will thanks again, many thanks to মামাটি মানুষকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই, জিন্দাবাদ জানাই, যারা আমাদের ভোট দিয়েছেন। কিন্তু এদের অত্যাচারের জন্য আপনাদের ভোটটা হয়তো অনেক জায়গায় আমরা রক্ষা করতে পারিনি, তার জন্য আমরা ক্ষমা প্রার্থী। ক্ষমা যাদের চাওয়া উচিত তারা তো ক্ষমা চাইবে না, আমরা তার জন্য ক্ষমা চাইছি। এইটুকু আপনাদের বললাম, বাদ বাকি ডে টু ডে উই উইল ডিসাইড আওয়ার স্ট্র্যাটেজি। এই পর্যন্ত। আপনাদের কোনো কোয়েশ্চেন থাকলে 1 by 1 জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারেন। ইয়েস, I am not going there. Even if I want also, I should not, because मैंने चेयर को केयर नहीं करते हैं। I want to continue as a less important person. I told you so many times. So I don't care chair. I only care people. बंगाल में आउट थोड़ा ज़्यादा हुआ, क्यों? हम लोग जैसा फाइट किया इंची टू इंची, इतना फाइट हम लोगों ने किया जिंदगी मौत को सामने रख के। तब भी अगर हमारा फाइट तो बीजेपी का साथ नहीं था, हमारा फाइट था इलेक्शन कमीशन का साथ। और अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन बेच जाए, अगर जुडिशियरी से कोई जस्टिस ना मिले, अगर इतना लोगों को लॉजिस्टिकल नाम पे निकाल दिया जाए, वन साइडेड इलेक्शन ऑफिसर लोग काम करे, स्विच ऑफ कर दे, ईवीएम मशीन कैप्चर करे। आप हमको बताइए, जब लोगों ने वोट देता है मशीन में, उसका चार्ज, बैटरी चार्ज 40 का नीचे उतर जाता है, लेकिन 1995 कैसे हुआ? कैसे हुआ? आई एम रेजिंग द क्वेश्चन। व्हाई दे स्नैच्ड आवर पेपर? Why they didn't allow our counting agent and me to attend the counting? Why they tortured the people and directly with the help of CRPF and the election officers? They were threatening inside. I have seen. They were threatening the RO in presence of me. But please remember, I have every document with me, because at that time I sent all my information to Bengal CEO. First I have written a letter, then they snatched this paper from me. Then I have written second letter to RO at about 4 o'clock. They didn't give us receipt, but not only me, the other candidates also. But no justice. When DO told me that, ममता जी आप आपको एजेंट को बुलाइए, वो तो पास ही नहीं है उसका पास, सब छोड़ के छीन लिया। हम बोला कैसे घुसेंगे? तो बोला हम पास बना देते हैं, आप बुला लीजिए। Then I said, okay, you give me 2 hours time so that I can call my people. I waited. Then our people came. CRPF didn't allow to enter. Number 2, who are there present? I said, okay, who are not present, I can sit as a counting agent. That cooperation also we can do. Then they धक्का मार के हमको उधर से निकाल दिया। हमारा इलेक्शन एजेंट को इतना मारा, काउंटिंग एजेंट को, सबको मारा, 5-6 पार्टी को मारा। So they also complain. लेकिन कंप्लेन किसको करेंगे? वो तो पूरा परचेज है ना, सेलेबल कमोडिटीज। यही हुआ बंगाल में। बंगाल का असली चेहरा और कोई अलग है, लेकिन जो चेहरा निकाला ये इलेक्शन कमीशन, बीजेपी एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, ऑल सेंट्रल फोर्सेस का एक जॉइंट टायो कॉम्बिनेशन का साथ हम लोग को लड़ने पड़ा।
আপনারা দেখছেন বাংলা খবর ইউটিউব চ্যানেল।